I do not mean to cancel or abrogate the military alliances. But tangonan ko kayo, do you really think we need it? If there is a war, makaupakan, do you think we really need America? And do we need China and Russia for that matter? Or do we need somebody? Pag nagbirahan yan lahat at nabitawan niyang ICBMs, pati yung mga Poseidon, lahat na, there will be no more American aid to talk of. There will no more be a country strong enough to rule. Hindi. Pag magdating yan, wala tayong kailangan. Kung hindi, yung pare, kung gusto mo lang ultimo adios. You really think that? Kung is there such a thing as a third world war? Kalukuhan. Alam mo, bantay sila nito. Itong arrogance ng Amerika, si Xi Jinping, pati lalo na si Putin, huwag kayong talagang, huwag tayong magkamali dyan. Talagang hirit. Kita mo, pag ginusto niya, kunin talaga niya. He wanted Crimea. He just simply went there to occupy it. Ang Amerika, walang nagawa. So, let us go for alliances that would contribute to the health, to the education. Kung aabot pa tayo ng, if there is a world out there waiting for our children. Otherwise, we have to protect them.